Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the Note 10 Plus. Got it in white here. So let's see. It is Friday the 23rd, so there shouldn't be too many currently out there. Let's see here. So here it is. It's a nice white color there. They have, I think, white. I got another one in black for my wife. Comes with our charger, charging cable, pretty standard headphones, and some adapters and all that. So it's actually a really nice finish on there. It feels very similar to the Note 9, which I have in my hands. Feels maybe actually even a little bit weightier, but I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up here in a second. Oh, that's a great way to start it off, right? Dropping it. Okay, let me turn this thing on. I'm assuming that one. There we go. So supposedly I think this thing has some kind of extra quick charging, like I think they were saying a full charge in 30 seconds or something like that. So that'll be, I'm sorry, 30 minutes. So it'll be interesting to see how accurate that is. But
let's get started. Let me help you
here we go.
by guiding you through the steps. Let's look at the terms and conditions.
Yeah.
Once you read and agree to these, we can
Do all
really pick
that.
up.
Boom.
You may need
Keep
more help to
going.
activate your device.
So I'm gonna go ahead and finish activating this thing and let you know how it goes.